In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete portfolios in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you first log into your Asana account, you'll want to look at the left panel of your dashboard. Here you'll find various options, and one of those will be the Portfolios tab. This tab is your gateway to managing all your current active portfolios, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the Portfolios tab, you'll see a list populate with all of your existing portfolios. Take your time to scroll through this list and identify the specific portfolio you want to delete. It's important to be sure before moving forward, as deleting a portfolio will permanently remove it from your account. After pinpointing the right portfolio, give it a click. This will take you to the details of that portfolio. Take a moment to review the contents. Check if this is indeed the portfolio you want to remove completely. If everything looks good and you're certain that you want to delete it, move to the next step. Now, locate the small drop-down arrow icon that's positioned right next to the title of the portfolio. This arrow is not very big, but it's crucial for accessing the next step. Gently click on this arrow, and it will open up a management menu tailored specifically for that portfolio. In this menu, you'll find a list of available actions. Look for the option that says Delete Portfolio. It may take a second to locate, but it will be clearly labeled. Once you find it, click on that option. Now you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. As this is a crucial step, make sure you really want to proceed. Once you confirm, the portfolio will be permanently removed along with all of its internal data. That means any projects, tasks, and comments related to that portfolio will also be deleted, so take a moment to think it over if you have any doubts. After you confirm the deletion, it's time to verify that everything worked correctly. You should return to your main management list and check that the portfolio has been successfully removed. If you don't see it there anymore, congratulations, you've just deleted a portfolio in Asana. If you want to double check, maybe look through your list again and ensure everything is as it should be. And just like that, you have a more streamlined workspace without any portfolios that you no longer need. Thank you for watching and learning with me today about how to delete portfolios in Asana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. It's always great to have you along on this journey of mastering productivity tools. Happy organizing, and see you in the next